Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we're making pumpkin pie cheesecake. First, we dump graham crackers, then some sugar, and now some cinnamon for spices, and now some melted butter. And now we're gonna mix it like we just can't fix it. Want to use your hands? Like, go for it, get in there, get handsy, do what you do, get a little touchy-feely, you know? Now we're just gonna dump the graham crackers into the springform pan. We're just gonna give it like some little pat-pats. Just like pat-pat, like you're patting your cat. Yeah, just like that. If you need to use a cup, you can do that too, just to get it like really up in there. Like, yeah. Now we're gonna yeet the crust into the oven. Yeet! And now we're gonna throw down with some cream cheese in our bowl. We're gonna put four, yes, amazing, into the bowl. And then we're going to put in, I believe, a cup of brown sugar and just let it go in there. And then some 4 eggs. Some 4 eggs! Phenomenal! Just amazing. Look at that. Now we're going to put a teaspoon of vanilla. Then we're going to beat the crap out of it with beaters and ignore the mess I'm making. It's horrendous. Just horrendous, but it is okay. Now before we add pumpkin, we're going to take 2 cups of the regular batter and just spread it onto the crust, just like it's some sort of deadly disease. We're just gonna spread it like we just don't care. Now we add in our pumpkin. It doesn't look the most appetizing, but that's okay. And now we're gonna add a teaspoon of cinnamon, a 1/4 teaspoon of ground cloves, and a 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. And now we're gonna mix it in gently. Going to dump the mixture over top of the other mixture, and then once again we're going to stir it just to lay it flat and spread around like the plague. And now we're going to put it back in the oven. This time the oven is set at 375 Fahrenheit, and we're going to leave it in there for like 5,000 years. No, more like 70 minutes. Yeah, that's not as bad. now that I'm done baking it and I know that I did okay, I'm just gonna give it some taps. It deserves some taps. Look at that jiggle. Once the cake is cooled to the amount you want it, like, decorate it how you want. You can use whipped cream. You can use, like, more pumpkin if you want. You can use anything you want. This is America. This is freedom. It's 2018, the year of freedom and self-expression. It doesn't even matter if your cake looks like crap. Like, I just made a goof. But it's okay. And that's literally it. Do you see how easy it was to make that? Like, yes, it is so possible. I believe in you. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel to see more of my amazing YouTube videos. Yes, that is what they are called. Please. And if you hated this, feel free to leave a nasty comment. And feel free to dislike. Peace out, people. Peace out.
Let's say China. 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 I have to have my China. 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 I know China very well. China. 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 I'm from China. 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 I have people that I know in China. 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 I'm from China. 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 I have people that I know in China. 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 I've been saying China. 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 I like China. I go to China. 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 Go to China. 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 You went to China. 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 Get a job in China. I know China. I love China. 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 China, 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 China all the time. China, 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 China. And by the way, I love China.